Hi guys, Miss Justine here with the Lindenhurst Memorial Library. Welcome to another Make and Take. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make Fruit Loop trees. But before I start showing you how to make Fruit Loop trees, I would like to read you a story. And this story is called Chicka Chicka 1, 2, 3. Illustrated and written by Bill Martin Jr., Michael Samson, and Louis Elhart. And it's published by Simon & Schuster Books. One told two, and two told three, I'll race you to the top of the apple tree. Climb, said 4 to 5 and 6, bright little numbers that joined the mix. Hooray, yelled 7 to number 8, slowpoke fellow who's always late. Chicka chicka 1, 2, 3, will there be a place for me? Here comes 9 to the apple tree, next comes 10, and then 11. Wow, these apples taste like heaven. Chicka chicka 1, 2, 3, will there be a place for me? Hopping 12, lucky 13, picking apples red and green. 14, 15, can't you see, they all want to climb the apple tree. Chicka chicka 1, 2, 3, will there be a place for me? 16's next to make the scene, climbing branches with 17. 18, 19, one more's 20. Numbers, numbers, there are plenty. Chicka chicka 1, 2, 3, will there be a place for me? Curvy 30, flatfoot 40, climbing up to join the party. 50's fine, 60's dandy, 70's hair is long and sandy. Chicka chicka 1, 2, 3, will there be a place for me? Let's climb more, says treetop 80, higher, higher, up to 90, until at least 99, and all the numbers are feeling fine, except for 0, who begins to cry. Chicka chicka 1, 2, 3, will there be a place for me? Oh no, poor 0, he's crying. Oh no, buzzing close bumblebees, 0 hides behind the tree. Get out of there, tree, the bumblebees shout, and all the numbers tumble out. Oh no, here comes the bumblebees, those numbers better get out of there. 90, 80, 74, hit the ground in a free-for-all. 60, 50, 40, run, no more climbing, no more fun. 30 is next, and sweet little 20, numbers, numbers, no longer plenty. 19, 18, my oh my, frightened numbers jump and fly. 17, 16, and 15 more, now 14 has hit the floor, and 13 too, unlucky guy, 12 had almost touched the sky. Bends up 11, wait, where's 10? 9 and 8, 7 follow then, twisted 6 and top hat 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, take a dive. Chicka chicka 1, 2, 3, now I know the place for me. Uh-oh. 0 saying is a place. 0 leaps into the sky, brave little number, he's not shy. 0 lands on top of the tree, joins the 10, now 100 you see. Chicka chicka 1, 2, 3, here's the place that's just for me. All the numbers come back out, higher, higher as they shout. Chicka chicka 1, 2, 3, 0, 0 heroes of the tree. The end. That was so cool, wasn't it? All those numbers climbing up the tree having fun, and then the bumblebees come and they scare everybody away. But not 0. 0, he was brave and he climbed the tree to join 10 and made 100 and told all the numbers, it's okay, come back and have fun. That was such a great story, wasn't it? So now I'm going to show you guys how to make your Fruit Loop tree. Okay, so in your bag, this is your bag, you should have what looks like to be the top of the tree. Okay. You're going to have 1 toilet paper roll and a container of Fruit Loops. Okay, so what you're going to do first is you're going to take, oh, I almost forgot. What you guys need from home is you're going to need your own glue, and you can use glue in a jar or you can use a glue stick. You're going to need crayons, any color will do, and many as colors as you want. And you're going to need pair of scissors. Okay, so now that you guys have all that stuff that you have, The first step is you're going to take out your top of the tree and you're going to color it whatever color you want, how many colors you want. It doesn't matter. It could be 1, it could be 10, it could be 100 colors. Then you're going to cut it out, and I'm going to show you what it looks like once it's colored and cut out. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like, colored and cut out. And as you see, I already started gluing on my Fruit Loop trees because it takes a little bit to dry. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to glue on one. So you're going to take your glue and you're going to put a nice good helping of glue anywhere you want. Okay, put that down for a sec. Then you're going to grab any color Fruit Loop. Okay, if you guys are using a glue stick, please remember you're probably going to need to use a little bit more glue. And then I'm just going to see, I put it where the glue is and I pressed it down. Make sure it sticks, okay? Then you're going to set that aside to dry. It'll take about a few minutes to dry. You're going to take your toilet paper roll and you're going to cut 2 slits into it with your scissors. Okay, so you're going to cut maybe about 1 inch in, okay? And you're going to cut on the other side 1 inch in. Okay, and this is so you can slide your tree in. So I'm going to squeeze it so you guys can see. See, I did 2 slits. Okay. Then you're just going to slide your tree in like so. Okay, and I'm going to put mine down for a sec because we need to do it on the table. Slide it in. There you go. So once your Fruit Loop's dry on your tree, you're going to slide it in. I already did mine earlier, so that's why I was able to. And here's your Fruit Loop tree. And you can add as many Fruit Loops as you want to the tree. It doesn't have to be as many as I have. If you want, because it is such a large container, before you start you can take out a handful of Fruit Loops that you want to glue and then save the rest to snack on. But I do recommend that you do not mix them up and eat them when you're gluing, because you might eat some glue, and make sure you don't eat any of them that you already glued on the tree. It wouldn't taste very nice. So that concludes our Fruit Loop tree video tutorial. I hope you had a great time. Please take a look on our YouTube page for more video tutorials, story times, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye!